project. This will be number 3 for today. This fan, which is a nice fan, but we got something going on with it. We've had a wire come loose or something, and we can't get it to turn on, and the light was just never very good in it. And it's so close to the fireplace that it would kind of blow it out if you done it. So we're going to take, not today, remember that, not today, but we're going to take this fan down and put a light, because we're going to get some big fans and put way up there and take those lights down. That way we can have them to where it's not going to mess with the fireplace. When you're absolutely scared to death of electricity and you're a no electrician, turn it on. Oh, that's not good. Turn it off. That's better. Okay. Now we gotta put.
Got hinges on? Got hinges on?
No, we gotta hook this right here up now. Okay, right here we had to just set the camera down, and my wife helped me up here wire the light up. I am by far no electrician. I know it's magic, but I can do simple things, and hooking white wire to white wire, black wire to black wire, and then hooking the ground back up. Just about anybody could do that, and that's all we done right there. And I needed my trusty helper there, and my encourager and project manager, my wife. She helped me hold the light up, and we done it. Didn't get shocked or anything like that, and that's why I used that little red thing to make sure it's okay. All right, we had to do a time lapse because I didn't have nobody holding it for me. So we changed our light from the fan to that. Flip it on there, baby. Bam! Now, that for sure lit the cabin up a lot better. Now we just move them out of here, and we got it.